Hello, my name is teachnology. Welcome everyone. Now, I want to talk about someone topic. For me, it's very important. What topic is this? This topic is the teaching, specific in teaching foreign languages teaching. This is a topic very important. Teaching is a big environment of ideas, because the teaching is almost the oldest things in the world. For the reason, when the time is past, all is it change. It's if had to change, no. For example, this teaching had different methods. For these methods, there are evolution all through of the pass of time. This method, some better than others. This method, well, for example, so I want to teach in a classroom with, for example, 40 students. All students are different. For this thing is we can use the different methods for teaching. We can match all methods, for we can find the best way for teaching to the students. We should always find this way, because all students learn of different ways. We can find this point medium where we can teach very well of students, where we can use our resources of our environment, for we can teach. For example, some schools had many things for we can teach, and this had more technological tools, more didactic tools. For the reason, we had to know the methods, and we can find out which is the better for our environment. However, we can implement, for example, in my school there isn't technological tools. I can create flashcards, I can create examples for another things. With these methods we can find different didactic tools. For the reason, we can implement these things. The teaching is something very important, very big. We can control it, and we can modify this method for a way that this can be the best way for our students. Yeah. But I can. Okay, there are very articles where you can find information about the studies for a license for us, for person that analyzing different feelings and emotion for these things. I think the best way is we know it methods, and we know our needs our students. We can modify it for applicate of the best way. Thank you so much.